When building a shed on your own, or even with a friend, always buy a bundle of lats, Slater's lats. They help a lot. What I need to do at this stage is position that on there, and then Mom will stitch this into there gently. Okay, bottom's slipping away, all the bottom's loose. Then, if I can get this vertical, then let's not lose that. This could be one of those disaster fail videos. Everything falls over. Let's have a look. Right. Point my spirit level at that level. Okay. That's about vertical. So that just holds it vertical that way. Now you see it's wobbling all over the there. Do something to go and get a nail. Hopefully the wind won't blow. That could be a disaster fail. The nails are over there. I've got a nail without it blowing over. That was dangerous. The next bit, put a lat on here. To get that vertical. You don't need to see me going around there, climbing up there to insert. So I'll turn this off. Hello. Well, I've not fastened the long cross lat onto the post yet. That's from a post at the far side that's standing on the ground, and it is braced off the garage with a short lat here. That's what holds that one up, and then it was going to be braced with this lat. So I've just got it pinned onto the side of the garage like that. It's not quite vertical, but it is solid enough now. It's not going anywhere. It feels quite solid. It's not going to be blown over in the wind. But I've decided that I now am in a position where I need to fix the wall plate, as I'm calling it, or that piece that's resting on the wall, onto the wall, before I do any more. So I need to get my fixings out and do that. I had thought of just bedding it onto cement, but I'm going to just fasten it onto the wall and then inject cement underneath it at some later stage. But it will be fastened down because the load is just a straightforward vertical load bearing onto that wall. When drilling through the 8mm hole you've put into the wood, remember to scratching the masonry bit. So let's remember what we're doing. There's the pin I'm using to pin the wall plate down with. I've drilled a hole in here with a wood drill bit, making sure I had a packing piece underneath so the wood drill bit didn't hit the masonry, because we don't want to damage the end of the wood bit. So 8mm hole with the wood bit. Now, rather than take mark and take the wood away and drill masonry holes, which is possible. That's one way of doing it. Just mark where the holes are, take this away, drill the holes as I would do if putting up a bracket or shelf. I'm actually drilling down through the wood, through the framing. But what I am doing is extracting the drill to clear the flutes. Clear the flutes of all the clay so they don't get jammed up and the thing burn in there, so that's not too bad. And as you'll see, that's the length of the pin, just about the same length as the drill bit, and I've gone right in so it should go in. So while you're there on the camera, take that out of the way. I hope I've cleared the hole enough. And that is tight. I can hammer that down now and that will be tight. Now I need to get a support at that end, the same height as the notch in this end. So tempera, pin this piece in, approximately the hole. There, and now I can put spirit level on, take that out the end, and adjust it so it will stay resting at the bottom of that. And when I take the nail out, just pull it slightly and move this up and down until it's level, and then that's where the next support is going to be, support this end of the big beam. So 2 lats positioned, one from the far corner post, one from the bottom of this corner post, ready to install or put up the 3rd corner post. Let's see how stable I can make this with just 2 lats. I've marked out the slope of the roof. There's that green line showing up because I can't see in the viewfinder. Anyway, what I've now got to do is decide which side of the front set of goalposts to mount the 6x3 beam. To put it on the front or the back of these front posts. I got plenty of length, didn't I? Just to be sure. Well, let's have a look.